Today's job is installing this Hardwire Dashcam kit. Bought it on eBay a long time ago and just haven't fitted it. So it comes with the voltage step down from 12 to 5. It is a mini USB connector, because that's what my camera is, and it comes with a choice of piggyback fuses. The larger blade and the smaller blade, and some instructions for some non-specific cars. So this is the dash cam that I'm using. It's an ePrats. It's fairly similar to some of the older neck spaces. I've had it for quite a few years, and it's a decent quality camera, but the internal battery on it is no good anymore, so you have to stop recording and switch it off and wait until it finishes writing the file to the card, and switches itself off completely before you can unplug it. So the main reason I'm having to do this now is I have just been plugging into the 12 volt via an adapter in the center console, but this is shorting out now, so some crap has obviously gotten lodged in there or something. So I am currently running cable via a USB extender into the 12 volts output into the board. Oops, dropped the camera. Okay, so the fuse box is on the driver's side. Pops everything in there. So we're going to pick a fuse that is switched live, so the camera doesn't run all the time. Okay, so we got a label on the inside of the fuse box, giving us the layout of fuses. There are many more fuses allocated on the diagram than there are in my fuse box, but this is a basic model, so not everything is in there. So I want to pick fuse number 6, which is the rear wiper, which is here. Fuse 6. So theoretically it should be that 15 amp just there. Got the long step. It's quite a long cable to the ends, so we've got our positive for power and we have neutral. So the neutral will screw into there. Bang. And then this obviously plugs into the piggyback fuse. And we'll try and keep that all nice and neat in there. And then this, we have to run up and around the windscreen. So I'll start by feeding that through, kind of into position. Finally managed to pull that through. Took a little bit of effort because it's a bit tight and you don't want to shear any of the sheathing off the cable. So it's quite tight. I've had to take the little Faraday cage off of the wire and feed that through. I'll put that back on afterwards. This is left dangling for now. So the next job, oh yeah, there's a Torx screw here. You can loosen, just to help bring that out a little bit more, to give you a little bit more space. So it's just a T20 Torx. So yeah, then now we just have to run the cable up. So the next job will be to run up the A-pillar and across underneath the trim. So I don't believe that I have an airbag in here. Yours may do, so you obviously have to be very careful if there's an airbag in there. You don't want that exploding in your face. Using a handy tool for popping the trim out. I'm just going to slip the wire in under the edge of the seat here. Okay, so let's take out the fuse for the rear windscreen washer, not washer, wiper. Okay, there we go. So now we'll piggyback that on. Put it in. Sleep this. disconnect the ground, so we'll just attach that on there, and we'll test it out. One annoying thing to note is that this screw for the ground is a T25 torque screw and not T20 like everything else. Let's test this. Key in, first position, and there we go, the camera comes on. Don't know if you can see the camera being on. There we go. Very blurry. And so here's how it looks. There's the piggyback. Just cable tied the voltage converter. It's all tucked in. Well, up this side of the pillar and around the top, and then in under the roof lining. I've left lots of slack so that I can reposition the camera around if I need to. And that's the camera.